Hi everyone, today we came with another video with this free thumbnail maker for YouTube. You can quickly and easily create stunning thumbnails, banners and cover photos for multiple social media platforms. This offers awesome thumbnails and banners for YouTube, the best experience you can get with a design app. Apart from intro thumbnail banner, making your videos and social content appear more beautiful, it has been proven that thumbnail for YouTube videos helps your content attract more views and traffic. Why thumbnail maker for YouTube videos or social media important? Attractive thumbnails grab more attention of people on YouTube or social media. It is estimated that the videos with thumbnail banner intro get 50% more views on various search engines. If you are looking for some Twitter banner or cover maker for YouTube over the internet, then you don't need to search anymore. This free online app can perform multiple tasks for you efficiently. Uses of Intro Maker for YouTube channel. Our creative video cover maker for YT is not just an app for creating YouTube channel arts for videos alone, it doubles as a creative tool for designing banners, YouTube intro cover photo maker and YT Studio. This Fornite thumbnail maker for YouTube no watermark can also work as an editor thumbnail for you, as you can make or edit the thumbnails of your videos quickly. You can get everything in one place, as you can create thumbnails or YouTube covers with our free video YT thumbnail and banner maker. Our YouTube thumbnail creator no watermark also helps you to create cover for Facebook, posts for Instagram, cover for YouTube, cover for Twitter, cover for LinkedIn, YouTube banners, channel art maker for YouTube. This free and fabulous app can also work as a banner maker for YT or thumbnail editor for YouTube Studio. Video thumbnails and banner maker for YouTube features ability to create thumbnails for YT and covers, availability of a huge variety of free backgrounds in multiple graphics creator categories and designs, ability to select preferred thumbnail dimensions, ability to add text and overlay for personalization, availability of tons of uniquely designed typography fonts and effects to make thumbnails and banners that stand out, unbeatable design elements that let you add unique shapes and symbols, ability to enhance the visual appeal of your online video thumbnails, availability of stickers to buff up your awesome thumbnails, user-friendly interface designed to support and convenience, ability to save your finished graphics work on your Android smartphone or tablet and publish it anywhere you want. How to use Prompt Best Video 3D Thumbnail Maker. Look Prompt Video Thumbnails and YT Channel Art Template Maker app. Upload an image or select a background from the category of your choice. Or simply select a blank canvas. You can also choose to use an image from your gallery. Choose your preferred thumbnail and banner's dimensions, size, add text, overlay, or brand. Save and share your creative thumbnails. With Video Thumbnails Maker, there's no need to hire a professional HD thumbnail designer. After all, time and money are a treasure in business. Go ahead, the Video Thumbnail Creator app for free to start creating stunning thumbnails, cover photo maker for YouTube, and professional looking banners.